You were heavy, so I just stood
we should go up that way and then go down that way because that way was the ghetto.
I like this way. There's grass, and I want to see the grass. Let's go see the grass.
See the grass!
Oh my God!
You see the motherfucking grass.
Let's go see the northern lights.
Woo!
Are you still recording that same video?
I'm doing a different one.
Oh my God! Oh, Sam, have another one.
I think I saved it. I don't know how to find it though.
Let's sit down and watch it. Let's go to the grass.
Let's just go sit in somebody's yard.
The grass.
Go sit in somebody's chairs. Go sit in somebody's yard.
Oh, that's my shoulder.
Retard. I think your battery's low.
Really? Shh. No, I don't know. Just stop it then.
Push me.